Hello friends and welcome. You are with Deepak R. Khemani and we are in this 2 minutes money and personal finance show. It is Ask Me Anything on Personal Finance. Today's question from a viewer is interest rates on savings bank balance in most public and some private sector banks have fallen to 3%. Is it worth and safe keeping money in banks which are offering 6.5, even 7% on their savings bank account balance? So there is no right or wrong answer to this. There is a perceived safety in public sector banks in India because up to now not a single public sector bank has failed since nationalization of banks. Now, because that perceived safety is there, a lot of people want to keep their money in public sector banks or in a few of the reputed bigger private sector banks. However, there are newer banks which are getting licenses, and in order to collect funds, these banks, to stand out amongst the crowd, have to offer slightly higher rates than what is being offered by their PSU or bigger private counterparts. So, if the question is, are they safe? All I can say is, banks in India, the public and the private sector ones, are regulated by RBI. Having said that, we saw the recent case of Yes Bank. When there was trouble, the government got together a mixture of a few banks which collaborated, got together and saw to it that the bank does not fail. So if your question is, will my money be kept in a savings account, will the bank fail? Chances are extremely remote. However, go with the brand you are comfortable with. If it is a name which you never heard about, and if there is something inside you which wants you, listen to your gut. However, that does not mean you should be keeping your money at only 3%. If somebody is offering 5, 6 and 7, finally it is your choice. You can keep some money at higher rates of interest compared to what other banks are offering. Always listen to your gut. I am not your advisor, but it's important not to have money, a lot of money being kept in the savings bank just at 3%. If somebody is offering me 6 or maybe even 7, why not grab that opportunity?